Bella Fanatics here, and I'm your host, Limpo Muhan. Mbombela Stadium is where I'm at. Full-time Petro Premiership clash. TS Galaxy versus Sekhukhune. A game as of to which has ended in a 1-0 in favor of Sekhukhune, taking all 3 points. Nankuna la Nkosi madoda. Nkosi alikho labadlala khona litele imbombela etebole game ngalana eTS Galaxy Sekhukhune. Nkuni. Ngaphambili kokuthi sihambe sekhuluma tindzaba ta continental asicale ngalata domestically asicale ngaleta la yeah
home team
nkuni TS Galaxy namhla bedlana Sekhukhune ayishakhambanga kahle icembu lakhona la ekhaya lana nduna yami nkuna Sekhukhune sathe ongo 3 points and early goal ngilo leli shaya icembu le TS Galaxy njalo nje nkuni igame uyibone njani awuthi amkhuluma nami
no i-game was fair and balanced but the only thing lengathi ayihambanga kahle iTS awathathanga ama-2 we created chances as a home team alakhaya but I still feel ukuthi clinically so uParker must do a better job than ama-strikers which aslethe down amajidi
sure
for example intwana ayishilo which is number 9 uJunior Zindonga he had a couple of few chances there and there the only thing that was lacking is that final touch yabo idlalile iTS created ama-chances and of course red card madness assistant captain uMaduna Stoughton and I do believe ukuthi no bona ukudlala abadlaleli I think ukuthi maybe nelanga bengasilanga lawo kahle kahle but they were boys played well the finishing touches were lacking but I hope next time they will do better
awuchamkuna le game yena muhla nduna ngiphi into le TS Galaxy lengathi thatha yothi sebenzisa phambili ichubekela phambili lekumele improve kuto bese ngiciphi naleti yatinto makhi good takeaways lengayihli TS Galaxy itibuke isho okay nanoma igame namhla sihlulekile kuyiwin mara lokuhle ngilokhu nalokhu lokwendakalile nduna yami
no I think kunalentwana kamahlambi le intwana lencanyana kuPhakamane I think yanga brother it's a good boy that one clean boy nice game I think going forward, all they need to do, like Umpo today was not there. Umvelas, he wasn't in the game. So I think going forward, even now the starting lineup, coach kumela double check. Ungafaka uMaduna, ufake uMbunjana at the same time. Those are 2 defensive midfielders.
Sure.
The game with 0-0. Why are you putting 2 defensive midfielders?
Man.
You understand? At least share one Wambe. And then when the option are going forward. But at least even if we defend, but it's 0-0, guys. Why are we defending? Let's go get that first goal, and then maybe you can try defensive midfield.
And so, home, dude.
Usekaya, Putwa. Usekaya. Why? Why are you defending?
Sure.
Okay, so as is at least is when the whole setting midfielder you want, and then Amachita I attack. Simple as that.
Awuthi asithathe nyalo siyibeke eAfrica nyalo sisale siphuma domestically awuthi asiqaleke ukuthi sithi halala ngeke ngibe noma ngathi halala nduna yami ngoadvance aroma group stage nduna yami wena njalo nduna yami nkuna wena njani tshela lala labanye phela kusikwendiwa njani 3 points uthatha kanjani batshele nkuna kwendiwa njani
uyathi mnaka
nkuna ngilalela
kuna this saying la ekhaya ukuthi Chiefs okay fine poor performances but my brother ama champions they grind results they grind results my brother ungasho ukuthi labo 1-0 abanye bakore 2 izolo ngeke sibasho ukuthi ubani you understand but the thing is it's 90 minutes it's one game no one goal 3 points in the back manga process is number 2 lapha kule Cave
asongenile
singadlala igame eyi1 kuna team esaskolota kumele ube la Mzansi bathi Al Masry Ntontoni we've got them my brother 1-0 2-0 doesn't make a difference the only thing that makes a difference is 3 points you understand silapha manje kune Betway sida sirelaxile ngivebo katlego mphela nabo opamanyisa abakhuluma that's okay fine who's taking the league lo munye athi no Pirates will take the league 5 points clear lo munye athi between Sundowns and Pirates ukhaza uthi
hayi batshele
bazosibonga bazobuya bafika sacolisa khosi come end of the season because la sayithatha lena sila sina 3 tournaments to go iCAF Nedbank League ningas count out mabhakani sila
still in running for treble
abana 2 it's a mountain to climb but because leader
Nkosi nkuna ngibonga kakhulu nkuna
ngibonga mina my brother
thank you nkuna
thank you boza